DevOps, the fusion of development and operations, signifies a paradigm shift in software development. This video delves into the minutiae of DevOps, unraveling its principles, practices, tools, and the transformative influence it exerts on the entire software development lifecycle, SDLC. Before we begin, please consider subscribing to the channel. The core principles of DevOps. 1. Collaboration. DevOps transforms organizational culture. Delving deep into collaborative practices, we explore detailed communication strategies, cross-functional training programs, and collaborative tools. The objective is to create an environment where development and operations seamlessly integrate, share insights, and foster a culture of shared responsibility and continuous collaboration. 2. Automation. Automation in DevOps extends beyond CI/CD pipelines. This section scrutinizes the intricacies of infrastructure as code, IAC, automated testing, and continuous monitoring. We embark on a detailed exploration of the tools and methodologies that create a bedrock of consistent, reliable, and efficient automated processes. 3. Continuous integration, C. This section is an extensive examination of C practices, moving beyond basic code validation. We delve into the implementation of automated testing suites, version control strategies, and containerization. The aim is to optimize C pipelines for speed, reliability, and scalability, ensuring a robust and efficient integration process. 4. Continuous delivery, CD. CD involves nuanced strategies like feature toggles, blue-green deployments, and canary releases. We explore the intricate challenges and benefits of continuously delivering software to diverse environments. Addressing how CD intersects with compliance, security, and risk management adds depth to this exploration. 5. Monitoring and feedback. Real-time monitoring extends beyond tools. It's a mindset. This section ventures beyond basic monitoring, exploring advanced strategies like anomaly detection, predictive analytics, and establishing effective feedback loops. We discuss the pivotal role of application performance monitoring, APM, tools in gaining granular insights into application behavior. The DevOps lifecycle. 1. Plan. Collaborative planning incorporates techniques like value stream mapping, risk analysis, and capacity planning. We explore methodologies such as Agile and Scrum, detailing their integration with the planning phase. It addresses strategies for aligning business goals with development priorities, creating a roadmap for successful project planning. 2. Code. Beyond coding standards and reviews, this section delves into pair programming, knowledge sharing, and version control intricacies. We navigate through branching strategies like Git flow and their contribution to maintaining a robust, maintainable, and efficient codebase. 3. Build. Optimizing the build phase encompasses considerations such as reproducibility and artifact management. This section scrutinizes advanced build strategies like parallelization, caching, and container-based builds. The goal is to ensure the build process seamlessly integrates into the overall delivery pipeline without becoming a bottleneck. 4. Test. Testing in DevOps extends beyond unit tests. It includes integration testing, end-to-end testing, and security testing. We explore testing frameworks, mocking strategies, and effective test data handling. This section aims to provide a comprehensive understanding of ensuring software quality at every layer of the application. 5. Release. Release management involves feature flags, rollbacks, and versioning strategies. We navigate coordination challenges in a microservices architecture and strategies for maintaining consistency across different versions. This section also addresses release planning, shedding light on its organizational impact and strategic significance. 6. Deploy. Automated deployment tools are critical, but this section dives deeper into container orchestration, discussing Kubernetes and its impact on deployment strategies. It explores strategies for managing database schema changes, handling stateful applications, and ensuring smooth transitions in complex deployment environments. 7. Operate. Operational considerations extend to infrastructure scaling, disaster recovery, and incident response. This section scrutinizes strategies for maintaining high availability, encompassing multi-region deployments, serverless architectures, and proactive monitoring of system health. 8. Monitor. Beyond traditional monitoring tools, this section explores advanced techniques like distributed tracing, log analysis, and AI-driven anomaly detection. It discusses the implementation of chaos engineering for proactively identifying and mitigating system weaknesses, ensuring a robust and resilient operational environment. DevOps culture and organizational impact. Cultural shift. Fostering a DevOps culture necessitates a deep cultural shift. This section provides detailed insights into building a culture of trust, innovation, and continuous improvement. It explores case studies of successful cultural transformations and provides actionable steps for organizations seeking to instill a DevOps mindset. Cross-functional teams. Beyond collaboration, this section meticulously explores the dynamics of cross-functional teams. It includes strategies for team composition, extensive training programs, and the critical role of leadership in supporting and nurturing these teams. Real-world examples illuminate the nuances of successful cross-functional collaboration. Continuous learning. Creating a culture of continuous learning involves detailed strategies for skill development, knowledge sharing, and establishing a supportive environment for experimentation and learning from failures. This section provides comprehensive guidance on implementing continuous learning practices within an organization, emphasizing adaptability and growth. Automation culture. Cultivating an automation culture is pivotal for DevOps success. This section offers practical guidance on identifying automation opportunities, establishing automation champions, and overcoming resistance to change. It explores how an organization can embed automation as a fundamental element of its DNA, ensuring efficiency and scalability. DevOps Tools. Version control systems. This section goes beyond the basics of version control systems, exploring advanced strategies such as Git workflows, branching models, and techniques for managing large codebases. It aims to provide an exhaustive understanding of version control best practices, ensuring a seamless collaborative coding environment. C/CD tools. In-depth discussions on configuring and optimizing C/CD pipelines are crucial. This section explores strategies for parallelization, caching, and pipeline orchestration, ensuring that organizations can set up efficient, scalable, and resilient C/CD processes. Configuration management tools. Beyond the basics, this section provides intricate explorations of configuration management best practices. It includes discussions on idempotency, testing, and strategies for managing configuration drift. Practical examples illuminate the implementation of robust configuration management. Containerization and orchestration. This section delves deeper into containerization and orchestration, exploring advanced practices such as multi-container architectures, pod scheduling, and strategies for managing stateful applications. Real-world examples showcase organizations effectively leveraging containerization and orchestration for scalability and flexibility. Monitoring and logging tools. Advanced monitoring and logging practices are crucial for gaining deep insights into system behavior. This section explores custom metrics, log aggregation, and the use of machine learning for log analysis. Case studies highlight organizations effectively using monitoring and logging tools for proactive issue detection and resolution. Collaboration tools. Beyond communication, collaboration tools play a pivotal role in project management, documentation, and knowledge sharing. This section explores the integration of collaboration tools with other parts of the DevOps toolchain. Real-world examples illuminate how organizations leverage collaboration tools for streamlined communication and collaboration. Evolving technologies in DevOps. 1. Emerging trends. Landscape of DevOps is continually evolving. This section explores emerging trends such as GitOps, ChatOps, and the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, in DevOps processes. By staying abreast of these trends, organizations can position themselves at the forefront of technological innovation. 2. Future possibilities. Looking ahead, this section delves into potential future developments in the DevOps space. It discusses concepts like no-ops, serverless architectures, and the evolving role of DevOps in the era of edge computing. Understanding these possibilities provides organizations with a strategic vision for long-term success. Scaling DevOps. Enterprise-level implementations. Scaling DevOps is a complex endeavor, especially for large enterprises. This section provides insights into scaling DevOps practices to meet the demands of complex organizational structures. It covers topics such as federated DevOps, centralized versus decentralized models, and strategies for ensuring consistency across diverse teams. Cultural considerations in scaling. Scaling DevOps goes beyond tooling. It involves scaling the cultural transformation. This section explores the nuances of scaling a DevOps culture across geographically dispersed teams, ensuring that the collaborative mindset remains robust even as the organization grows. In conclusion, this comprehensive guide to DevOps seeks to provide a granular understanding of every facet of this transformative approach. From the foundational principles to advanced implementations, from cultural transformation to the integration of emerging technologies, DevOps is a multifaceted journey that demands attention to detail, adaptability, and a commitment to continuous improvement. Embracing DevOps is not a one-time initiative but an ongoing commitment to innovation, collaboration, and efficiency. As organizations embark on or refine their DevOps journey, this guide aims to be a valuable companion, offering insights, practical guidance, and inspiration for navigating the dynamic landscape of modern software development with confidence and success.